What? You would throw away something like this? And it's still brand new. Hi everyone, and welcome to the channel Without a Wire, where we explore everything home automation. In today's video, we'll take a look at the Yeelight multicolor M2 smart bulb, its features, how it sets up and how it integrates into automation platforms. Yeelight is based in Qingdao, China, and they were established in 2012. They are mostly known for their intelligent stage lighting, but also joined the smart home market with a wider range of products. Before we get started, please hit that subscribe button. It will really help out the channel, and ding that bell icon so you can get notifications when we release new videos. Hi everyone, and welcome back. So let's have a look at the box, open it up and see what this light bulb is all about. So if we look on the outside, on the front of the box, it tells you it's 1000 lumens. It gives you some cost estimates in terms of energy consumption. It tells you it's multicolor, so you know already that this light bulb would give you multiple colors. So it's an RGB light bulb with cool white and warm white. It tells you that it works with Google, seamless setup with Google Home app, and it tells you that it's a smart LED bulb. So if we turn it to the side, it talks about an easy setup, and once again it only talks about a setup for Google. Turning it to the back, it gives you more information about the light bulb, 1000 lumens. The color temperature is interesting. It starts from 1700 kelvins to 6500 kelvins. The warm white will be more of an orange color rather than the yellow that you would normally get on the run-of-the-mill light bulbs for warm white. So that's quite a good spectrum from a warm white and cool white perspective. Then from a rated power consumption, it says 8 watt, the E27, so you only get screw in for this. And then it gives you some lifetime indications there, approximately 15,000 hours, and a wireless connection on Bluetooth. And the lifespan is expected to be 11 years based on 3 hours usage a day. And then it gives you an energy rating. It's got an A++ energy rating. Turning it to the other side, again, it only speaks about a Google setup, and then it gives you the color range, which is quite impressive compared to some of the other light bulbs on the market. And that takes care of the box on the outside. Let's open this up and see what's on the inside. Obviously on the inside you've got the light bulb, and you see it's quite a unique design. It looks quite different to any other light bulb that I've seen. And on the light bulb itself, it's got the Yeelight logo, and it says works with Google, seamless setup with Google Home app. If you turn it to the back, it gives you the run-of-the-mill information. It says smart LED bulb M2 multicolor. So it tells you it's a multicolor light bulb. It tells you it's 1000 lumens, and again it gives you the spectrum, 1700 kelvins to 6500. And then mostly industry markings and information about the company. Now if we look at what else is in the box, there's a let's get started card, not a manual. It says plug in your Google Nest device, plug in your Yeelight smart bulb in the same room as your Google Nest, get the Google Home app and follow the prompts. It doesn't tell you much about the setup. Then there's a little booklet inside there as well, and if you look at the booklet, it gives you some specifications about the light bulb, how to install it, and then basically the same as your installation card And then it gives you some product features, but not much. Vast color options, adjustable brightness, adjustable color temperature, voice control, smart, easy setup. So it's not really features as such. It's run-of-the-mill type of stuff that you get on any smartphone. Then there's some warnings, FCC compliance statements. So basically this book is for people who like to read. So that's the light bulb outside the box and inside the box. So from a setup perspective, I can't show you how this thing works. I don't have Google devices in my house, and this thing being Google exclusive, there's not much I can show you at this point. But take a look at this. Alexa, how do I set up this Yeelight light bulb?
Why don't you ask Google, you traitor?
The Yeelight Multicolor M2 comes in at 379 Rand, which is a bit pricey for a light bulb that only works with Google. Other Yeelight bulbs range between 229 to about 399. These prices are about average for the smart home market right now. If you are interested in the Yeelight range, you might want to go check out their smart ceiling lights and spectrum lights, and also many of their other lighting solutions. This brings us to the likes and the dislikes. It's a really bright light bulb, even though I couldn't set it up. Even the default setting during the setup process indicated how bright this light bulb can be. The second thing I like about this light bulb is that the spectrum of colors are off the charts compared to other light bulbs. Even the warm white starting at 1700 kelvins. Another thing that I like about this light bulb is that it would automatically connect to the next Google device if it loses connection to the one that it was originally set up for. And with the Bluetooth connection, it also enables local control for the light bulb. Which brings us to the dislikes for this light bulb. The thing I don't like about this light bulb is that it's exclusive to Google. It doesn't even work with the eLight app. So if you buy this light bulb without doing your homework like I did, you basically sit with an Eskom light bulb. You paid for it, but you can't use it. Now let's have a look how this light bulb compares to the other light bulbs we reviewed already. The outside of the box scores a 6. It provides good information but does not indicate any features or the fact that it's exclusively compatible with Google only. The inside of the box scores a 6 with average information you'd expect to see on the light bulb. The setup guide is brief and the booklet is for extra reading only. The feature scores a 6. Even though we couldn't test it, the color spectrum alone is impressive and the local control over Bluetooth is a bonus. Brightness scores a 10 with 1000 lumens. All integration scores a 0 except for Google being the exclusive integration with an optimized Bluetooth setup, scoring Google a 10. This brings the eLight Multicolor M2 to a total of 38, filling up the last spot on the leaderboard. Thanks everybody for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a like and remember to subscribe and ding that bell icon so we can send you notifications when we release new videos. If you want to help out the channel to continue making videos like these, you can join our Patreon campaign or make a once-off donation at PayPal. Links in the description below. You can also follow us on Instagram, link in the description below and the QR code on the screen right now. Tell us what you would like to see on this channel. More product reviews, more DIY projects, home automation ideas. I'd love to see your opinions in the comment section. I also left product links in the video description if you want to go see where to buy these products. Some links are affiliate links and I get a small commission from the sales and we appreciate that. It helps the channel going. You're also welcome to contact me if you're looking to start your own smart home or if you have some brilliant automation or DIY ideas that you would want to share on the channel. You can contact me on the email address on the screen right now. And remember, it's 3 S's, wireless with 3 S's, .automation@gmail.com. Thanks everybody for watching and see you in the next video. Piece of junk. I don't know why somebody would buy something like this.